Hi guys, welcome back to BakingFiat. Today we're making savory cheddar muffin. So today we're starting with 1 cup of flour. I used all-purpose, and then we're using 2 leveled teaspoons of baking powder. So in our milk, we're doing 1/4 cup of milk and 1 egg. So on the stove, we're just heating up 1 tablespoon of olive oil so we can cook the bacon and the red onion. I used 3 slices of bacon, chopped it up, and I used about 42 grams of onions that I diced up. I'm just using red onions because we were in the process of moving that day. So my coworker actually gave me this recipe. She got it from a little bakery in Australia, where she's from. So she brought in muffins one day and she let me have one, and I was like, oh, I need this recipe. So finally, after a few months, I'm making it and sharing it with you. First attempt. Woo! So we're using salt and pepper. So my little guy is pepper, and then my black and white guy is salt. As you can tell, I really love Disney with, my Mickey Mouse salt and pepper shakers and also my Mickey Mouse measuring spoons. So we added 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese. I have no grater right now, it's in a moving box. So I chopped it up. I had to add a little bit of more milk. I probably used like 3 tablespoons. So we're mixing that all together. We're gonna add in our onions and our bacon. We're making it into a dough. I would have added more milk. So she said to use some herbs like parsley and chive and cayenne. All of those things were packed. So we went to the basics. So this is the size that you're going to want to use for our dough. Pop them into a muffin pan. Our oven is at 400 degrees. We're going to be baking it for 12 to 16 minutes. Honestly, mine could have gone a lot longer. I was just trying to serve it up with breakfast because we were moving. So I was trying to feed my movers. Alright, now that that's done, let's try it. Ooh, nice and steamy. So yummy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know below if you have any video requests. BakingFiat out.